Hello guys, and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change your Cash App business account to personal. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon in the top right. Scroll a little bit down and choose personal from the menu and scroll all the way down. In the bottom, you will see uh, in the bottom you will see this button change to personal account. You need to click it, and in this case guys, you can't change your account to personal automatically. You need to change it with help of support. So first of all, you need to click contact support. You need to chat with them. You need to explain that you would like to change your business account to personal, and they will assist you and change your account to personal, guys. You can't do this without help of support. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.